scenery and the single track roads. I'd never seen anything like it on the mainland. There are so many crests and so many dips and so many corners. It makes it very, very difficult to rally in.
What is it that makes Mull so special?
And flat right two, tight in.
The joy of driving your car as fast as you can over these roads, it's a great feeling.
The tarmac roads of Mull are iconically known for being twisty, narrow and bumpy.
What is it that makes Mull so special? The sense of community, the buzz about the place, and the island itself. It's like going on another planet.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.